So in this video, I will share with you my 5 essential book categories that you as an architect must look into and the books I frequently refer to during design workshops. It's more like a back to basic collection that reminds you of the core principles of architecture. Form, Space and Order by D.K. Cheng is one of the fundamental design vocabulary books, which is both elemental and timeless. I always refer back to this book because it refreshes my mind and I'm always aware of the hierarchical structures and organizations and even the relationship between spaces. It's very diagrammatic and easy to understand, and it breaks down architecture to bare minimum, to a point, then a line, then a surface, to a volume. And that just by sketching a few lines, it becomes a party diagram that might inform the complete project. The other book in the same category is Site Analysis by Edward T. White. It focuses on fundamental contextual studies. I often go back to this book to revitalize my thinking. I highly recommend this book for initial stages of design. Before you start to sketch a building, you sketch the site analysis and you better understand the site and its surrounding context. This is one of the essential books you need every day to case study different building types and their respective functions. It gives you an overview of the program of the building and examples of how to organize that particular type of building. And it's based on efficiency, occupant load of previous case studies and project, function, context and location of a building, and many more things. This is probably one of the most essential handbooks architects should have by their side. Books in this category are Newford Architect's Data, Time Saver Standards for Building Types, and The Architect's Handbook by Quentin Pickard. This again is an everyday essential for architects. Architecture Reference plus Specification and Architecture Drawing by D.K. Cheng. I love the way the architectural drawings are presented in these books. It's again a guide to basics, and it sort of shows you a checklist of things to do to achieve that level of detail. I refer to these books often to benchmark my own drawings and validate the packaging and drawing sets that I create. Studying the masters is the key. You get exposed to how each architect thinks, and it sort of informs your own voice. It is crucial to understand most architects and their philosophies, and how they think and come to an architectural solution or a concept. Each architect's conception of idea and design philosophies differentiate from the other. My own strategy is to study every architect and somehow summarize their design philosophy or design approach in a single page. And so I get a sense of their core beliefs and approach to problems. The enlightening part for me has been how architects with the same site, same context, would approach a problem completely different based on their design philosophies. In this category, you can pick up a monograph by any architect that inspires you, and you can also pick out magazines like El Crucis, where you'll find each architect and their work broken down in how they think and design. This category is totally up to you, whatever interests you. For instance, if it's architectural photography, landscape, sustainability, urban design, lighting design, and you can pick up these specific books and sort of understand wherever your interest lies, and it will definitely inform your work. Due to digital technology, I don't have to carry all these books along with me every day. So I have all of these books in a digital format. I can easily access them on iPad, take notes, archive for any specific project. So it's always helpful to have a digital copy of all of these books. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your reviews and comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.